Welcome to Health Stack. In this introductory video, I will describe how the HMO platform works. I'm going to log in to a demo HMO. This is what HMO account looks like. There's the admin module that allows the user to set up a new HMO. You can configure email source for inbound and outbound conversations or communication on the platform. Then you can manage all user profiles, user accounts on the platform, where this is where you set roles for your staff or employees working on the platform. You can manage user password as a super admin, and then your organization detail. And then there's a communications module that allows communication between uh, colleagues. Also, you can manage team conversations or team communication by creating a channel that allows your teams to bond or to communicate and foster sort of like a team connection in the on the platform, as well as have communication with other organizations or users uh, on the platform. Then you can send out emails using the email source you have set up from here. You can send out documents from the platform to customers, clients, and enrollees. And then you can process SMS messages from the platform to users or your clients. Then there is the complaints module where you manage complaints from providers and enrollees. This module allows you to communicate between, to handle customer or user complaints, enrollee complaints, complaints about providers, provider complaints, about services or tariff or whatever complaints that they might have about your service. There's the CRM module that allows you to manage your sales processes. It starts from creating a lead which is also a deal, an open deal. Once you're creating a lead, you can upload documents, like your uh, let's say letter of interest, SLAs. You can set tasks for your team, your sales team. You can have video conference meetings on the platform. You can manage appointments, with your lead, in the process of trying to convert a deal. Then you can generate proposal for the to further push the deal. You can also generate an SLA invoice, on the platform. You can manage previous invoices and documentations that you've generated over time, and you can manage your team activities or assign team assignment to a particular deal and contacts for that deal. You also have templates where you can build templates that you can use for communications on the platform with your sales. As soon as your sale has been converted, your deal has been converted to a closed deal, that means there's a sale. The customer now converts, or the deal converts from being a deal to an enrollee. So your customer can either be individual or a customer, or an enrollee, or an individual or a corporate customer. A corporate customer having number of employees that they want to use your services, or to use your care plan. So once a sale is closed, that lead is converted to enrollees. And the next step that happens is that once there's a closed deal, you need to generate pro policies for the enrollees. This is where you generate policies for your enrollees. A policy can be sponsored by itself or by a company, and then you can a policy actually is what is a combination of the enrollees profile, the plan they are purchasing, and what is in the care plan, um, what details about their beneficiaries, and then they can use this policy to assess your care. Once a policy is generated, there is a unique enrollee ID or policy ID for each unique enrollee, which is, their key to assessing care at their various providers. Once you've generated a policy, the individual can now go to any of your providers. So the our system allows you to roam. So a situation where you allow your enrollees to roam, our system actually accommodates that too. Otherwise, you can assign your enrollees can select or choose, up to three providers, 3 to 4 providers, or even more that they want to use, maybe in their locality or in the environment where they live. You can manage your health plans, create health plans, inherit, an existing health plan. You can manage your corporate clients. So corporate clients are corporate entities that have, a number of employees that, are enrollees with your HMO. You can manage that business, you know, from the corporate module. And then there's the provider module where you can manage all of your providers, um, right from when you onboard the provider, carry out the provider accreditation. Um, then you can assign a provider to a tariff from going to the tariff module. So every of such activities or actions you can view in the provider detail. You can see tasks for a provider. You can manage beneficiaries, that's enrollees that have visited this provider. You can see all their claims. You can view the tariff, pre-authorization requests. You can chat and then manage, the provider details. You can also manage all your claims from different providers that you work with. Here you can generate a claim in the case where a provider, requests that you generate their claims. Otherwise, your providers can send out submit claims, and you can process such claims by clicking on the claim item, and you can review, reject, or accept a claim, and maybe update the claim status as soon as, all reviews, auditing are done, for this particular claim. You can group your claims by provider in case you want to deal with your claims um, as, as a group of claims rather than individual itemized claims. Also, you can receive pre-authorization requests, and straight up approve or decline pre-authorization requests so that they can be sent for the patient to assess the care that they require. Then there's the referral module that allows you to manage referrals, between providers. And then you can set your premiums and manage premiums. You can also manage your tariff, generate tariffs, inherit a tariff, or add a provider to a tariff. Um, Basically, the health stack platform allows, once a provider has been added to a tariff, the provider has access to, that tariff list, and they can request for review, which can be managed from this bit. This is a list of tariff. You can see the providers that have been added to this tariff. So you can have a tariff for multiple providers or a single provider. So this is what the health stack platform looks like. and then there's a report module that allows you to generate reports for for all your activities on the platform. So thank you.